Mastering modals, understanding the nuances of modal verbs in English. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of English modal verbs. Modal verbs play a crucial role in expressing a wide range of meanings, from possibility and necessity to obligation and permission. In this lecture, we'll explore the various modal verbs in English, their meanings, and how to use them effectively in different contexts. What are modal verbs? Definition: modal verbs are a special category of auxiliary verbs that modify the meaning of the main verb in a sentence. Characteristics: they express necessity, possibility, permission, ability, or likelihood. Examples: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to. Understanding the meaning and usage of each modal. Can, could, expressing ability, I can swim. Expressing permission, could you please open the window? May, might, expressing possibility, it may rain tomorrow. Expressing permission, you may leave the room. Shall, should, expressing future intention or suggestion, shall we go for a walk? Expressing advice or obligation, you should apologize for your mistake. Will, would, expressing future intention, I will attend the meeting tomorrow. Expressing willingness or habitual actions, she would always help others in need. Must, expressing necessity or strong recommendation, you must wear a seat belt in the car. Ought to, expressing obligation or duty, you ought to finish your homework before watching TV. Using modal verbs in context, formal versus informal contexts. Politeness and indirectness, modals in hypothetical situations, modals in expressing certainty or uncertainty. Common errors and pitfalls, confusing similar modal verbs. Misusing modals in inappropriate contexts. Negation and inversion with modals. In conclusion, mastering modal verbs is essential for achieving fluency and accuracy in English communication. By understanding the meanings and nuances of each modal verb, as well as their appropriate usage in different contexts, you can enhance your language skills and convey your intentions effectively. Keep practicing and experimenting with modal verbs to become a proficient English speaker and writer. Thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to address any questions you may have.